Hello, everyone. I am Deborah. Welcome to today's 5-minute chest workout where we are using no weights. We are just using our own body resistance. This is beginner and senior friendly, you guys. The format is 5 exercises, each one 45 seconds in duration with a 15-second break in between. Easy to follow, easy to execute, you guys. So without further ado, glad that you're here. Let's get started. Starting in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, you guys. For the first one, a slight bend at the knees, core engaged, belly button, push back towards the spine, and the arms come from the waist up towards the ears. And when you do this move, resist to going up and resist to coming back down. And as a matter of fact, what you can do is put one of the hands right here and you can feel what this exercise is targeting. Last one. Okay, stand it up. We're going to go back to that position in a second. This next one is going to be a bent over row. Okay, back over. And with this one, you guys, act like you're reaching down and you're pulling something up. And when you pull up, these elbows are coming out. And where are those abs, you guys? Yes, they are in. And I tell you, once you get into the habit of engaging this core, it will actually become habit. All right, stand it back up, breathe out, and get ready for the next one. Okay, bring it back down, knees slightly bent. And this one, arms in and out. You feeling this, you guys? I know I am. And we're doing this with strictly our own body resistance. Last one. Okay, stand it up. All right. Okay, and this one, arms up, 90-degree angle. And bring those elbows in so they touch each other. And then back out. When you come in, squeeze, you guys. And then try to keep these arms at the same level during the entire execution. So it's almost like, pretend like you are drawing a line with these elbows, a straight line. One more. All right, you guys. Excellent work. Feel the burn. Yes, we got one more. And this one, arms are straight up, and we're going to lift these chest muscles. See that? And to help you execute it, you can put one hand up here and like you're lifting it. Yes. One more. Drop those arms, you guys. Give it a shake. Woo, to release that tension. And now that you've done that, give it a high five and give yourself a hug. Excellent, excellent, excellent work, you guys. I told you we were going to work those chest muscles, and those 5 exercises did exactly that. And if you got more energy, you've got more time, press replay and put it on repeat and or combine it with another one of my 5-minute short segment workouts, you guys. Thank you so very much for being here. And remember, it is a great day and you continue to make it your own kind of special. And you guys, do me a favor, leave in the comments, let me know how you feel about these short segment workouts. And if also you've got some suggestions as far as what it is that you would like to see on my channel, leave that in the comments as well. I would love, love, love to hear from you guys. And if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please do me the honor of doing so by pressing that subscribe button below. And once again, thank you so very much. And I will see you all real soon.